What's up guys, M train.
We are at Petersfield station on the top of Hampshire, we're joining M train.
Joe Thorpe. The alarm. And almost dead. Almost dead.
That one doesn't bang, it just really whack a bit.
Right.
13:56 on Saturday 23rd of July 2064. Hang on. You're 13:57. 12546 Southwest train station, Portsmouth and South Station, London Waterloo. Last train from this.
Yep. So we got to go now.
It should be pulling in straight away.
I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's actually nowhere in sight.
They might have closed it a little bit early. It's actually, this is for a double stay as well, because there's a train coming down from. Yeah, there's a train coming down from London. Is that in sight?
Where's there?
Yes, 1400 to Portsmouth Harbour.
Ah. Here it is.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 13:57 Southwest train service London Waterloo.
Yeah, also, yeah, actually, here comes the Portsmouth Harbour train.
How this one's going to list? We've got 450-079.
Also, as you're saying as well, sorry guys, is that we can't get, well, we've got the closure, but it's just we have to get on this train, otherwise we start here for another hour to get to List. Yeah. There we go. Here comes the other train. There we go. It's 132.
This is Petersfield.
Hey Joe, come up here, window.
For London Waterloo. The next station is List.
Yeah. 450-032. I don't think we might see it, I'm not sure.
It might stop. Here, this is the last coach, I think. Oh, there's one more. We'll see it anyway.
And we'll see what lists.
We'll just catch the end of it.
What's the point of sitting here? We're going to go sit over there.
Guess it, that one.
Oh, it feels so good to sit down again.
There's air conditioning in here too.
Yeah. On these mids, they have 24. They have all the time. They've got the heating on, even in the hot days.
It's the 450-558 at the back of that.
Is it?
Thanks for seeing me.